Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be diving into the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20, which is a powerful cleaning champion. So before you buy, here are some of the important things that you need to know. Let's just start it. First of all, the design. So the Xiaomi S20 is compact and sleek with a low profile that helps it get under the furniture very easily. It's got a clean, modern look that fits right into any home. The 360-degree LDR sensor on top helps it map your space accurately, and the large dustbin means the fewer trips to empty it. Now let's talk about the performance. So the S20 packs a punch with its 5000 PA suction power. It's strong enough to pick up the dust, pet hairs, and even the small debris from the carpets and the hard floors. It automatically adjusts the suction based on the surface, so you are getting the best clean every time. The Xiaomi S20 comes with the advanced LDR navigation and the real-time mapping, so it knows exactly where it's going. It avoids the obstacles like the furnitures and the codes effortlessly, and you can even set up no-go zones in the application to keep it out of the certain areas. Plus, you can control everything from your phone even when you are not home. One of the standout features of the S20 is its 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. So it's great for the light mopping, but keep in mind it's not meant for the deep cleaning. Battery life is solid too, that is up to 150 minutes on a single charge, which is perfect for most of the medium-sized homes. And when it's done, it automatically returns to its charging dock. So here is what you need to know about the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20. It's got the strong suction, smart navigation, and handy apps controls. So the mopping feature is a nice bonus, but if you are expecting deep scrubbing, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a reliable, easy to use vacuum that makes home cleaning a breeze. So that was it for this video. If you want to check it out, do check the best buying link of it in the description. Thank you so much for watching.